welcome back to my channel. Tonight we are gonna do a flip cup pour. We're gonna do 3 cups, and I was going through some pictures on my phone and I came across this beautiful orange gray like pearly white picture that I had posted a while back ago that said good morning, and it had these gorgeous deep oranges and then like this pretty gray gunmetal color, and then these white like silky flowers and a little bit of darkness in the background. So that's what the inspiration is for this. So we're using a 14 by 18 canvas, and we are using black Flow Acrylic by Artist Loft. We're gonna use some zinc from Deco Art. It's the Dazzling Metallics. Then we're gonna use some pearl from Deco Art Metallics, and then some Arteza paints, which I really like these. When you first start to mix them up, they're a little chunky, so you gotta mix really well, but they are very pigmented and you only need a little bit of paint. It goes a very long way. So we're gonna use the orange red, the orange yellow, and the Indian yellow. Those are the colors that we are gonna use. So I'm gonna put my little cups together, and I think I'm gonna start off with a little bit of black in each one of the cups. Just a little bit. And for this canvas, I think I only need 9 ounces of paint, but we're gonna go pretty big here. So then I'm gonna do some of the pearl. 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 Then I'm gonna go with the orange red. And I mixed all my colors with floetrol and liquitex medium and varnish. Okay, that one. And then we're gonna go with the orange yellow. These might be thinner than I wanted, but that's all right. It'll probably still turn out pretty. Let's hope. Okay. Then I'm gonna go with a little bit of this, actually no, I'm not. I'm gonna go with this yellow, with the Indian yellow. Then we're gonna go gray. Then we'll go with the gray. Metallic gray. Get some more gray in here. Hopefully I didn't make my paints too thin. And this turns out pretty. And I'll post the picture of the inspiration at the end of this video so you guys can see what inspired these colors, this pour. Okay, let's do a tiny, let's go opposite. I want black on the bottom. So let's do the pearl on the gray. Okay. Get the rest of this out of here. All right. Now let's do this red one. Let's do, I'm running out of paint, so we're gonna have to do these cups a little different on the second layer. But that's okay. Wasn't quite enough in there. Let's do this orange in here. All right. I was thinking about using silicone in my colors, but I changed my mind. Let's do a little bit of this one in here, and maybe a little bit more of it in here. Just try to get these cups a little more even with paint. That last one has more paint than the other ones. All right, and then we'll top it off with this black. Hopefully it's not too much black. I made just enough paint for these 3 cups. That was luck. Because I didn't even try. It's a lucky guess. All right. So, let me smooth out these drops.
Are you doing a flip cup?
Yep. Doing a flip cup. You want to say hi to everybody?
Hello.
All right. So, here we go.
My throat hurts.
Your throat hurts? Got my finger in there. Oh, I didn't even need silicone. Look at the cells popping up already.
Cool.
So pretty.
Are we doing like a pumpkin style?
Mm-mm.
It looks like a pumpkin because it has black and orange.
Yeah. Well, I guess it could be kind of Halloween-y.
Yeah.
But I was doing it off this picture that I saw. The colors, and it just, they inspired me to do something party. Something party. Okay. Gonna move these around a little bit. All right. I'm gonna go up this way with that one, and probably that way with that one, and up this way with this one. So let's see. A lot of paint in there still, so I'm gonna get it on my corners. Oh, put that right there. Oh, I was supposed to go the other way with that one. Oh well. Put that on that corner. We'll go this way with this one. I never like it when I drag backwards. I need to remember that. Just want to get some paint on the edges over there, on the corners, so it has something to flow to. Oh, this is pretty. Definitely doesn't look like the picture that I took, but it'll still be pretty. So, let's move this paint.
Why aren't you wearing gloves this time?
Oh, because I can just wash my hands off.
Ooh.
Get this paint flowing. Come back this way. Oh my gosh, I'm glad I didn't use silicone because There are so many cells in this, I think just from the metallics alone.
It looks good.
I really don't want to get rid of those cells that are right there, but they're gonna flow off anyways. So let's do that corner. Bring it back down this way. We'll do this corner. Bring the paint back down this way. Come back this corner. And we'll bring it all back to the center. And then see what we have here. Oops. Let's make sure these corners got done. Oh, this is pretty. I was really... When you guys see the picture of what inspired this, it's nothing like it. Nothing like it. Still turned out pretty though. If you like orange, it's a good one. Just making sure all these little edges and corners are covered. That is super pretty. I love all these lines right here. I lost a lot of the black. There's only a tiny bit of black in these little rings right here, or these little lines.
Yeah, I noticed that.
Yeah, I was expecting there to be a lot more black, but there's not. And I kind of don't like this. So let's see if I can get some of that off and open this up a little bit. Go back, take the weight back a little bit. Okay. Yeah, that was a little too brown color for me. Okay, let's torch it, see what we get. We can get anything else to pop up through here. And pop the little bubbles. There's a ton of little bubbles. These little silver cells look like rocks. They look like stones. Those dogs need to chill out. Let's see what we can get. Ooh, get some orange in there. I seem to have lost the pearl. Maybe we can get some of that to come up. Look at the lacing in this orange. Super pretty. Yeah, I like it. I like it. Not what I wanted or how I wanted it to turn out, but it still turned out pretty. I think I'll try maybe a swipe or try a ghost pour again with these colors. That way the colors that I wanted to be prominent will be more prominent. But this is really pretty. This is really, really neat. All these little cells. I'll bring it up close so you guys can see. So hopefully you guys can see over the glare. That's that little corner down here. All those little silver cells, or like the zinc cells, are popping up. Look at all those little, they look like little boulders. Pretty cool. I like it.
I do too.
Like it, like it, like it. Ryan likes it, but orange is one of his favorite colors, so.
Yeah.
It would be.
My third
I
favorite
keep
color.
getting these weird little guys. This looks like a funky little fish. It looks like an eyeball right there. Kind of cool. Neat.
Everything turns out weird, Mom.
I know. They get the neatest little things, but that's the excitement of it. You never know what you're going to get.
Yeah.
So, thanks for joining me. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this. If you haven't subscribed to my channel already, please do so. That is a free way for you to support your favorite artist. And if you watch other YouTubers and you love their work, please subscribe to their channel. It helps them out. Comment on their videos. Like their videos. It's just a click of a button. If you are interested in purchasing any of these pieces, my email will be in the description below, and you can email me and let me know that you want it, and we can have a conversation that way. And thanks for hanging out with us.
Yeah.
So, all right, guys, we'll see you again soon.